5 health mistakes elderly people often make. Welcome to Elderly Wisdom, where age is not a limit, but a treasure chest of life's richest experiences. Today we're talking about something important. 5 health mistakes many elderly people unknowingly make. These are small habits that can lead to big problems if not addressed early. Let's make sure your golden years are truly golden, healthy, peaceful, and fulfilling. First, many seniors focus only on walking, but ignore strength and balance training. Muscles naturally weaken with age, and weak muscles increase the risk of falls, a leading cause of injury in the elderly. Gentle strength exercises, like using light dumbbells or resistance bands, just 2 to 3 times a week, can improve mobility and prevent dangerous falls. Don't just walk, train your strength. Second, not drinking enough water. As we age, our sense of thirst becomes less reliable. Dehydration can cause fatigue, confusion, and even kidney issues. Make a habit of sipping water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Add lemon, mint, or a splash of juice if plain water feels boring, but stay hydrated. Your body and brain depend on it. Third, depending on multiple medications without regular review. Many elderly people take 5, 10, or even more medications daily, but rarely get them reevaluated. Some combinations may clash or be unnecessary as your body changes. Make sure to regularly consult your doctor or pharmacist for a medication checkup, just like a health checkup. Fourth, ignoring mental health. Loneliness, anxiety, and depression often go unnoticed in old age, but your emotional well-being is just as important as your physical health. Stay socially connected through calls, community groups, or even online. Talk to a counselor if you feel down. A healthy mind leads to a healthy body. Fifth, not adapting your diet to your current needs. Your digestive system, metabolism, and nutritional needs change with age. That heavy, spicy food you loved at 30 might not be right at 70. Focus on fiber, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Eat light, eat smart. So let's recap. Don't skip strength and balance training. Drink more water, even if you're not thirsty. Regularly review your medications. Take care of your mental health. Adjust your diet to suit your age. Your health is your most precious asset. Treat it with the same care and love that you've given others your whole life. If this helped you or someone you love, don't forget to share. Stay wise, stay strong, and remember, your best days can still be ahead.